Hi friend, this is Dr. Apoor Mehra. This Sunday, we were planning to write NEET exam, the NEET PG exam, 18th April in the morning. We were all geared up. There was fear in our hearts. With the danger all over the globe of corona, people were not sure what to do. Imagine I have to give my exam. And imagine I turn out COVID positive. And I've been working throughout the year. Morally, as a responsible citizen to the society, I should not be appearing for the exam. I must not. But supposedly, I have mild cough, I have COVID and I'm not aware. And I go to give the exam. In this scenario, I put a lot of the medical fraternity at risk, the examiners, the organizers, the fellow examinee, the students, the doctors. I think the step taken by the government is very sensible to postpone the exam. Whether it's late or early, it's a different aspect altogether. But it's extremely sensible because right now the pillars supporting the world, the nation, the globe is the healthcare system and the medicines. And imagine if something happens in which the healthcare system further gets paralyzed. Who will save the world? So, the decision respectfully is good. But there is agony. There is agony because the exam was about to get over. Many of the students wanted to join and serve the community for which they became a doctor. Many of them wanted the exam to get over at least. So people are again at crossroads. What to do? It's been about 16 to 18 hours since the exam took place. The announcement took place. And people have booked their travels, the stay. Now what? My take. We have realized that if on a particular day our mood is not good and we keep thinking about it, it becomes worse. But if we get involved into something productive, we become better. Friends, the exam has got postponed. The seat is still to be taken. You all were writing that if I had some more time, I would have covered more topics, prepared better. So, this is your chance to give a spark to your preparation. During the same time, attempt a grand test. Take these 2 days, again as if you are writing the exam on Sunday. Don't stop. Go on. And then assess what are your shortcomings. You have a chance. Not everybody gets a second chance. But if you do, you must kill it. Make a schedule for next 3 to 4 weeks for your complete revision. If half of your subject was left, try to finish it up. Do not extend too much. Keep revising, keep doing the questions. Friends, the game is on, the fight is on. It's a chance for those who really want to do good. For others who always create excuse, it's an excuse. It is sensible that you follow the norms. Social distancing, the mask, sanitizers. Most importantly, stay home if you can. Because I can tell you, as a practitioner sitting in the OPDs, the things are really, really bad out there in the hospitals. And I wish we all are able to pull through it. Friends, stick to the basic rule. Do not spread too much because you have to revise. Friends, make a schedule. Stick to the schedule. Friends, look at the important images every day. Do MCQs every day. And at the end of the day, do an exponential revision. What you did today, complete it again at the end, again in the morning, revise it extra bit, start the next day. This is going to help you pep up your preparation and score better. Thank you very much.